Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram bug. Fixing an Instagram bug depends on the specific nature of the bug. Here are some general tips you can take to try and resolve it. First, update your Instagram app. Go to the Play Store, look out for the Instagram app and select the Instagram app and simply update. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Instagram app installed. Updates often include bug fixes and that can resolve issue. Also try restarting your device. Sometimes restarting your phone can resolve temporary glitches with apps, including Instagram. We could also try clearing the app cache. In order to do that, go back, press the Instagram app like this, go to the app information, select storage and cache, and in the bottom clear cache option is showing, tap on that. Or you could also check your internet connection, ensure that you have stable internet connection. A poor connection can cause issues with app functionality. And go back, you can also try reinstalling after uninstalling. And if the bug still persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This can sometimes fix persistent issues. And if the bug is widespread, then Instagram may be aware of it and working on a fix. In such cases, it's best to wait for a new app update that may resolve the issue. If the bug is causing significant issue or preventing you from using Instagram, you can also consider using the web version of Instagram on a computer or mobile browser as a temporary workaround. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.